What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at whether or not the AirPod Pros are worth it in 2022. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. So the AirPod Pros have been released for over 3 years now, and Apple has come out with a updated version of the actual AirPods that offer a lot of the features that you can get on the AirPod Pros. But I still think that Apple's premium version of its active noise cancelling earbuds is still worth it, above all in the pack. So if you can get these for a good price, I think the AirPod Pros are the most bang for your buck, and here's a few reasons why. First of all, the feature set that you get with the AirPod Pros is quite comprehensive, even compared to the refreshed AirPods. You get active noise cancellation, spatial audio, a transparency mode, adaptive EQ, and of course interchangeable silicone tips. And given that the AirPod Pros have been out for over 3 years now, it's actually quite easy to find these on several markets, either new or in the aftermarket. These are a great value, particularly if you can get a deal on them, so you might want to check out your local tech retailers in your area to see if you can get a deal, or check out Amazon as well to see what the latest price is on the AirPod Pros, as if you can get them for cheaper, they're a lot of value. One of my favorite features is the charging and the battery life. Apple promises more than 24 hours of battery life with the batteries in each of the earbuds and the case, and while I have yet to listen to music for 24 hours straight, I found these to be very substantial in terms of how long they can last. And what really helps with this is that the AirPod Pros are compatible with quick charging. And of course, if you're dialed into Apple's ecosystem and have an iPhone, then the lightning connector on the bottom of the AirPod Pros is something you should probably be used to. Even if you don't opt to use the charging with the case, Apple promises that with one charge, the AirPod Pros can last up to 4.5 hours. And while I didn't see this in real life application, it certainly was close to 4.5 hours in terms of battery life. The next feature, of course, is the integration with Siri. And while other wireless earbuds do offer voice assistant integration, nothing does it as seamlessly as Apple does with its own products and tech. Dialed into Apple's voice assistant and you find yourself in hands-free situations where you need Siri's help, the AirPod Pros are a great choice for you. And finally, we have the design. The design is one of the reasons why I love these devices and what I think separates it from the pack. There's just something about the cut-off stem design that separates it from some of the other in-ear earbuds. They're more comfortable putting in your ear and listening to music for short and long periods of time. I also own some premium Sony earbuds, and while the sound quality actually might be better on those competitors, I can't listen to music for as long as I can on the AirPod Pros. And because of this, and because of the convenience of the quick charging and the very reliable battery life, the AirPod Pros are my go-to earbuds. Yes, active noise cancellation, sound quality, and EQ are better on some of the more higher-end competitors, but just in terms of an all-in-one package that you need to quickly listen to music on the go, the AirPod Pros are tough to beat. Bear in mind, I have had my AirPod Pros for over 2 years, and because of this, I was more than happy to pay the initial price point of the AirPod Pros at MSRP because I've been using them for so long. But if you're getting these for a higher price, it might not be worth it, as there's some other competitors on the market, particularly with Sony, that might be a little bit more of a value play for you. But if you can get a deal on these for the excellent battery life, the excellent sound quality, and the active noise cancellation and the comfort, I highly recommend it, as the AirPod Pros, until Apple decides to update it, are the best earbuds in their lineup in my opinion. So what do you think? Are there other options available instead of the AirPod Pros? Leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.